Hello friend, I'm Technoga here another video. So please subscribe my channel. More new awesome videos like this one. So today I'll make a PC in exidus.com. So without wasting any more time, let's start a video. So we already enter in exidus.com. So desktop, laptops, or workstation here, but we go at desktops. Now I'm recording my video with Bandicam. So I tap at desktops with Exidus creators. Now we already enter and tab. Just wait just a minute, and gaming desktop is already here, and it's a X2 X5 and different of price starting $834. First we check a PC specs now, and I think what is it, build use, set up build use, and we go just wait. Now we enter. Now I choose the AMD Ryzen. This is the X5TG and Tessellate. It's a very good. I think it's very good for you. And Asus Prime motherboard comes with a BIOS button and Wi-Fi. This is not a cheapest motherboard. Comes with a 180mm ports, lot of HDMI ports and Thunderbolt ports. Now it's AMD Ryzen 9 5900X 12C24 48 GHz. I choose a middle one, AMD Ryzen 7 507G 4 GHz Radeon graphics processor. And the next selection, first we check a PC specs. 6 parts is here. I choose a Exidus Extreme DDR4 3200 MHz memory, 8GB. It's enough for your gaming PC. Now we build a gaming PC under $2,000, I think. Now I choose this one, and I'll go on next selection. But 4 is available here, but I choose Exidus. Now I choose a power supply, the 650 volt power supply, but it's enough for you. A lot of people install a high rating power supply. It's not for you, good for your computer. You install a 650 watt gold power supply. When another part is coming, new generation part, the parts is consume a minimum power from your power supply, so you install a 650 watt power supply is enough for you. Now external DVD RW drive, best quality, and it's a X dual band wireless card. I choose a one, I need it, and I choose a Creative Lab Sound Blaster. 3 sound is really expensive, but I choose a Creative. And now here graphics card is here, NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti RGB, NVIDIA GTX 6054GB GDDR5, which is the best. NVIDIA RTX 3060 12GB, into Ryzen 12GB stock, into Radeon RTX 816GB here. I choose NVIDIA GTX 1650 and 4GB GDDR5, but it's not enough for my gaming, and I think I choose a NVIDIA RTX 3060 Ti RGB graphics card. It's so good, comes with the RGB light. And now I choose a or anything. Now I check all PC first. So good this PC. For now let's start making a PC. Now first I choose a 615 gold power supply. Yes, this is the best power supply for me. For me, not enough for my computer. And so I choose a RAM. I choose a 16GB RAM, and I choose a AMD Ryzen 9 5900X and 12C24 to 48 GHz. It's the best for your gaming, best for music production, and a lot of things. Now I choose a Asus motherboard, comes with the BIOS button and HDMI Thunderbolt port. I choose a Tessellate case as a very good for my computer, amounted to 1,605 rupees. And now I choose the external DVD RW drive, and now we look amount to 2,700 rupees here. I choose the onboard audio. It's the best for me, but you need an external sound card, but I choose this another three, and I choose the NVIDIA RTX 3060 RGB, comes with a LED light and HDMI port, and overclock graphics card one, none, and I choose a none. And next let's choose a RAM, state drive. I choose a 5GB M2 is best for me, I think. But I not to choose this. I not to choose this. But lot of here M2 Solid State, WD Black SN750 NVMe M2 SSD and WD Black, and none. I choose the none. But why? But I choose a 1 to M2 hard drive and 1 TB HDD drive, and Segata Barracuda 1 TB is enough for your gaming computer. 1 TB HDD, the price is 40,000 rupees, I think. Yes, very expensive hard drive. Oh, what is this? It's not it's pretty good. I'm excited now. And now I choose a stock cooler. I choose a Be Quiet Pure Rock Stream. Many gamers use this, but you use liquid cooler, so you choose a Deep Cool Case 12EX and other coolers. But I make a stock cooler, so I Be Quiet Pure Rock. It's the best for me. Now I choose a thermal paste. Next selection is here, and now I choose another thermal paste, and it's a Windows 11 Home. Now, what is this? Exynos Gaming Small Virus and Malware Protection. None. But Windows 11 require flash drive. I need it. And let's choose a mouse. I choose a Asus TUF Gaming M3 mouse. It's not all wireless. It's a wired mouse, and I choose a Asus ROG Stealth Mouse Heat. It's good. Now I choose a Asus ROG Delta RGB headset. I think 2,000 rupees gaming headset. And now, okay, I choose a monitor MSI OptiX G2 4C 24-inch 1080p 144 is a monitor here. I choose it. Yes, 144 is best for gaming experience, I think. And okay, minimum. I choose a Asus ROG Strix second keyboard and Cherry MX RGB red keys. Yes, it's good. Now, what the hell? I don't need a speaker. USB 3.0 portable. That suck. But Asus webcam. But you do a streaming for this for you. But I have a one Logitech webcam. It's enough for me. And now, I'm on 2,645 rupees. Yes. It's good. But one thing, you guys invest a lot of money for your processor, motherboard, keyboards, but you not invest the money for peripherals like a monitor, keyboard, headphones and mouse. So please, you invest a lot of money in mouse, keyboard and monitor. So this is the good for you. You really experience it better gaming experience when you invest the money in peripherals. Okay, so it's a very good point. Now we check the all thing: motherboard, processor, memory, power supply, graphics card, SSD, sound card is onboard. I use an onboard sound card, so I not use any external sound card. But you need an external sound card for your monitor. Your headset. So you need like a sound blaster like this one. So CPU based antivirus is here. So guys, this Exynos is a very good website for making your PCs and making your workstation and laptops, and very good for you. And this is a really faithful website for any gamers, and a lot of YouTubers and gamers recommended this. And total amount is my 2,645 rupees, and no amount for any extra shipping. And so it's a good. I choose a first Asus ROG gliding mouse, wired mouse, and you choose any accessories, anyone accessories in this website. Very good accessories for your computers and workstations. So peripherals and overview, case, power supply, SSD, M2 HDD SSD, second HDD, overboard audio. Please subscribe my channel. More new awesome. Like this one. Have a nice day. Goodbye. See you again. Back.